It is a Thursday and we are in Dartmouth, Massachusetts today. And I'm going to be taking you guys through a full overview of a $1 million home that we wired. So if you're a contractor or a builder out there and you're looking for a high quality electrician that actually takes pride in their work, we are the company for you. All my switch boxes, as you notice, are made up nice and neatly. They have tons of room in there. So that way, in case someone wants to add dimmers or they want to do something else, there's tons of room in those boxes. I also label every single wire in those boxes if you notice the Romex tags in there. And the reason for that is, just in case you need to identify which wire is this three-way or which wire is the switch leg, you can do so and identify it with absolutely no issues. We put painter's tape on every single device in these houses. And the reason for that is when the painter goes to spray all the walls, he's not going to get paint all over all the devices, and it just saves him the extra time and labor that he shouldn't have to put into taping our devices. Even the recessed lighting in the ceiling, I couldn't really show it to you, but we also pre-wire all the recessed junction boxes and then push those up into the ceiling. So that way when the ceiling's painted, all we got to do is just plug in the recessed lights. On the exterior of the building, we already mount the AZAC blocks for the meter main. That's something we do. And we also pre-wire all the AC disconnects. So that way, when the HVAC guy goes to set the AC units, we can just tie those in, no problem, and then he can fire them off within the same day. It doesn't set him back at all. Even on the exterior of the building here, we got all the octagon boxes made up for all the outdoor sconces. And even the lights above the doghouse, we have those all ready to go. And guys, as you notice, we're trying to stay ahead of the builder. We don't want the builder calling us and saying, hey, you need to get this done, you need to get this done. That is not the way a professional company works. We want to stay ahead of the builder, get everything done, and that way production stays moving forward. So I'm going to take you guys to the front porch. We're going to eventually put those boxes in once the decking is down. But notice how all the outdoor plugs are already wired and ready to go. Now I'm going to take you into the basement. We even wire all the furnaces as well. We bend everything in pipe. This is a $1 million home. Everything should be piped in when it comes to these furnaces. And all the wires are ran nice and neat on that beam. This is someone's basement. They're going to be seeing that for the rest of their lives. So you want to make sure that all the wires are nice and neat. This is the other furnace here as well. Notice how everything is also piped in. We got everything tie wrapped with some nice tie wraps there. Those are all the low voltage wires. And then that pipe also goes onto the beam there to bring the wire in nice and neatly. So if you are a contractor or a builder out there and you're looking for a high quality electrician, give us a call. We're taking new clients. You can call or text to sell.